Today, I made over $100. Yesterday, I earned over $200. And we are getting over $5.48 every minute watching YouTube videos. This is brand new method and I will show you a secret trick to make 10 times more money than others for completely free. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So step number 1 is to just head over to youtube.com and then you want to pretty much search for something very interesting, something that makes people curious about the end result of the video. For example, you can search for crazy animals caught on camera and press enter. And this is going to be something that's gonna make you a lot of money. And if you want to know how much I earned in past 7 days and in past 30 days, then help me to get 1,000 likes on this video, and as soon as we hit 1,000 likes, I will reveal my earnings in some of the next videos. Okay, so now you just want to select any of these videos that are going to entice you a lot. And for this video, I'm just going to go with the first one. So, I want to go with this one right here. It's pretty crazy, like there is this cyclist being chased by a bear. When you look at this thumbnail, you become curious to know the end result of this video. So now, you want to get a YouTube thumbnail of this specific video. So, just copy the link address of this video by pressing the right click on your mouse and clicking on the copy link address. Then, you want to go over to Google and search for YouTube thumbnail grabber. Just click on the first search result and that's gonna take you to this page. Then, place your link right there and this website is going to fetch you the thumbnail. Just click on download HD thumbnail image and the thumbnail will be downloaded to your device. Now step number 2, I want you to come over to canva.com. Canva is a free tool where you can create different designs, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, other social media posts, and much more. And today, I want you to search for YouTube thumbnail in the search bar on the top. And then on this page, just click on to create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and that's gonna take you to this page. So first of all, you want to upload that thumbnail to Canva by clicking on upload option on the left-hand side. Or, you can simply drag and drop the downloaded thumbnail file. Make sure you're going to resize it so that the thumbnail covers the whole background and it touches all the 4 sides of this background. Then, you want to grab an element from any of these square elements. Make sure the color of this square element is going to be black. Then resize it through the entire thumbnail so that it is going to cover it. And then, you want to lower the transparency of this element, so go to these 3 dots which are right here. Click on this transparency icon over here and you want to lower it to 60. Then, you want to search one more element of circle and we are looking for any of these circles, so just select this one. And you want to put it like somewhere right here so it's going to grab the attention of the viewers. And then, change its color to the red. Make sure you select the circle again, click on this position icon, then you want to send it to the backward. So it's going to be behind that black cover that we added right now. After that, you just want to search for one more thing that's going to be called play button. And the most important thing is, you want to go for a still play button. We don't want to create a video out of this image, so you want to go for a still play button, like this one right here. So, I'm just going to put it into the center of this thumbnail, and I'm going to change the color of this play button to the white, so that it's going to pop like this. And once you do that, click on share icon on top right corner, click on download right here, and just download that to your device. Then step number 3, I want you to go over to sites.google.com. And you want to create a blank site by clicking on this plus icon, and that's gonna take you to your new site. Here, you want to delete everything, so click on header type and select title only option from there. Now for the page title, you can just copy the headline of the video and paste it as your site headline. Then, you can make some color settings like red color, and you can also make the text bold to make it easy for reading. And then, add something crazy related to the thumbnail. So in this case, you can add like, see, who won the race? Because it kind of looks like a race where the bear is trying to chase the cyclist. After that, from the insert section, you want to click on the images and you want to upload this image on your site. Then, add just this image to the left of the website so that there is enough space for other elements which we will add on the right-hand side. Okay, so step number 4, I want you to go back to the Canva once again, and this time, you want to search for Pinterest pin in the search bar. Then again, click on create a blank Pinterest pin, that's gonna take you to this page. And again, you want to select the thumbnail of that video and paste it right here. Make sure you're going to resize the image in a way so that the main part is being seen. It doesn't need to be through the entire pin, just make sure that the main part is visible just like this. Then, you want to click on the background and we want to change the background to like dark color like this. And if you want to, you can add the square element from the left-hand side. And you can spread it over this image, change the color of the element to the black color. And then, select the element and click on 3 dots right here, then set the transparency equal to 30. The next thing you want to do is, you want to click on the text right here, then click on subheading. You want to write something like, bear caught chasing the cyclist, see who won the race. Then, click on effects, and you want to make sure you're going to add a background to this text so it's going to be seen just like this. You can also make it a little bit bigger so it's going to be more spread, something like this. Make it a little bit bold so it's going to look like this. Make sure to move it at the bottom on the dark part so it's going to be easily seen. And now, here is the important part. From the Elements section, go to the search bar and search for play button. You want to find one that's going to be animated. This is very important. You want to go with an animated play button, like this one. Then you want to make sure you're going to bring this to the center just like this. And what this is going to do is, it's going to turn this short image into a short video. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Because now, when you're going to click on share and you're going to click on download, it's going to tell you that this is MP4 video, and this is one of the hacks to actually make money with this method. Click on download now and save this also to your device. Then step number 5 is to come over to mylead.global. This is the platform that I use to actually make this amount of money. The reason behind choosing this network is because this network is available in almost all countries around the world, and you don't need any approval to join this network. Just fill in some simple information and you will be good to go. But for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country so that I can make more Make Money Online videos for you. Okay, so once you log into your account, I want you to click on Content Locker and select CAPTCHA Lockers from there. Then on this page, scroll down a little bit and click on Add a Locker button right here. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, you can name the locker anything you like to name it. It won't be shown to the people. Make sure, in the unlocking action, you choose redirection from there. And copy the link of that video again and paste that link in this box. Then, reduce the access time to 360 minutes only. Next, go to the advanced settings and make sure to select 8 in the maximum offers section right here. Then just click on Save button at the bottom of this page and save the locker you just created. Then the most important thing, you have to click on this icon where it says choose the offers to display in this locker. It's going to take you over to this page. You can choose different offers for different countries around the world. But I would suggest you to click on Add All button right there, and that's gonna add all these offers to your locker, so that the locker will smartly show the best offers available for that particular country. So, just click on CAPTCHA Lockers again, and as you can see, our locker is ready. Now, you just need to click on this icon right here, and you just need to copy this code written over here, so that we can use this code to make money online. And step number 6 is to go back to Google Sites, and you want to click on Embed right here. Then, you want to select Embed Code, paste that offer code in this box, and then click on Next. Once it's going to show up like this, you know that you have installed it correctly, and simply click on Insert button. Also, you want to make sure that it's going to be fit on the right-hand side of the video, so that it's going to look something like this. And then, here you need to write something like, warning, sensitive content. This video contains sensitive content. Please complete the capture verification to confirm you want to watch it. Now, this technique is working very well, and you can make a lot of money using templates like this. Most of the people are going to complete the CAPTCHA offers to watch this video, and you are going to get paid for that. Now, just click on Publish and publish this site for everyone. And this is how your website is going to look like. So step number 7 is to go over to our traffic source, which has 1 billion monthly users, and over 40% of them are coming from United States only, which means you can earn a lot of money using this traffic source called Pinterest.com. So what you want to do is, you want to click on Create right here, and you want to create a pin. Then, you simply want to upload the video that we have downloaded, and you can see it right here. You want to add your title and add a description to this pin, which can be something like this, as you can see on the screen. Next, you want to copy the URL of your website from there. And you want to put it right here, and you just want to click on Save. So, this is what we have created. Now, there is free secret trick on how to actually get your pins to be showing up on this browse page immediately after you post them. And this is exactly what I used myself to actually boost it to the browse page where you get some random stuff shown to you. And that secret trick is to use websites like youlikehits.com to boost your pin posts for free. You can collect points on these websites by performing simple 1-minute tasks, and you can use those points to boost your pin posts to the top of browse page of Pinterest. I have already explained everything in details about this website in the left video showing on the screen right now. You can watch that for more information. Thanks for watching.